3-ingredient celery juice to quickly detox your kidneys, strengthen your heart and loosen joints. Your kidneys are a major part of the elimination process in the body. They help to filter the blood, so if their function isn't in top-notch shape, you're going to notice it in your energy levels, as well as how your skin looks and feels. This 3-ingredient celery juice is so quick to make, and will not only help out your kidneys, but it will also help strengthen your heart and loosen your joints, too. In fact, the benefits go far beyond that. Parsley in itself has over 20 health benefits it can offer the body. The ingredients in this celery juice are as follows. Celery is loaded with dietary fiber, which keeps your bowels healthy and clean. It contains over 8 anti-cancer compounds, such as quercetin and phenolic acids that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Because of the anti-inflammatory compounds present in celery, it is a good plant food to help treat joint pain, lower blood pressure and soothe the nervous system. Parsley is a natural diuretic, which helps lower blood pressure, and flushes the body of excess toxins. It also contains a volatile oil called eugenol that has been shown in studies to possess strong anti-inflammatory and anti-arthritis properties. Pineapple contains the active enzyme called bromelin, which is highly anti-inflammatory. It is also an anticoagulant, meaning that it helps blood to flow more freely throughout the circulatory system. It has been used to help manage osteoarthritis and swelling of the digestive tract, as well as prevent cancer growth, and manage skin conditions. Try to use all organic ingredients when possible. Ingredients: serves 1. 6 stalks of celery. 1 cup parsley. 2 cups ripe pineapple. Method: run all of the above ingredients through a juicer, and enjoy immediately. Alternatively, you can blend the smoothie, and then drain through a nut milk bag. The amount of celery in this is too much fiber for one sitting, unless if you think you can handle it, go ahead.